Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple and easy step-by-step method that you can use to help a lot of people in the world who are having this particular problem. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with Freedom Motivator channel and kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel, reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button that you can see right over here, the red subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, also you want to make sure that you subscribe because I'm always coming out with money-making videos to bring financial and time freedom more and more into you guys' lives. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll go ahead right now and get started on our video here for today. Okay? Alright, so we're going to come over here to our Opera browser. Now this, like I said, this is going to be a Clickbank method, and using a Clickbank product to help a worldwide problem, which I'm going to show you here right now. We'll come over here. If I come to Google over here, I came to the Google search engine, as you see right here, and I typed in how many people suffer from vertigo worldwide. Vertigo is a disease. I'm not sure if it's a disease or a malady that affects people's balance in their head, and they get dizzy easy, and it makes them feel sick to their stomach, and so on and so forth. So it's a very bad problem that people have, and we're going to see today how we can help these people with this problem and make a little bit of money ourselves in the process. Okay, so I did how many people suffer, as you see here, from vertigo worldwide, and I couldn't find anything on a worldwide stat for it, but I did find this right here. It says here how many people are affected by vertigo, and you see right here it tells right here at least 69 million people in the United States have suffered from vertigo at some point. My guess is that if 70 million people in the United States are suffering from it, that probably multiple millions worldwide are suffering from this particular issue. Okay? Alright, so then to find out how hot of a market this is, what I did was I come over here to Google Trends here. So if I type in here, for example, just type in vertigo and dizziness, which is a symptom of it, right? And do a little search here on Google Trends, we can find out how hot of a market this really is. And you can see right here that there are a lot of searches going on. This is in the United States alone right here, and this is just in the past 12 months. And you can see there's a lot of searches, and it's a constant graph straight across there. Just like, for example, click down here, just say let's just the past week alone and take a look at it. We can see that it's a constant big market. A lot of people are searching for help to do with vertigo. Even if we go worldwide, we can see here, if I click on worldwide that you see right here, you can see that it's, and that's just, here again, it's just the past 7 days. You can see that it's just amazing how many people are searching for information and help on how to help with vertigo and dizziness. Okay? Alright, so now we know that it's a pretty large and active market of people searching for help for this. So now, let's figure out now how we're going to help these people. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to, of course, a Clickbank, okay? And now if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's just free to create one. Just click on Create an Account at clickbank.com. And then when you get done with that, you get logged in, you want to click on Marketplace right up here. And that brings you over to the Marketplace page here. You see all kinds of categories here on the left that you can choose from. Now, this particular product we're going to use today has to do with vertigo and dizziness, right? So you'll see up here in the search engine right here, I typed in vertigo, as you can see right here, and I just clicked the little search button, and it brought up these results right here. There's two of them, the Ultimate Vertigo Protocol, results in 14 days, average sales about $25. And then the one I like is this one right here, Vertigo and Dizziness Program from Blue Heron Health News, and your average sale on that is about $40. $39.16 to be exact. When I clicked on the, you click on this link here to see the sales page, and it brings you over here, and it's a video sales letter for this particular product. Which, by the way, guys, you can see that the gravity for this particular product is at about 70.7. So it's a pretty good gravity. Anything above 30 on gravity is usually really good. So at 70, that means there's about 70 people that are in the world only marketing this in the world right now successfully in the last 30 days. This covers the last 30 days. All right, so we got us a good product here now, and you can see the sales page for it here. It's a video sales letter, and then people can click on it and watch it and so on and so forth. And they also have a text version down here that if people would rather read instead of watch the video, they can simply click this. And then what I did was I clicked on that because we're going to use some of the wording here on how we're going to market this product. Okay, what I did was I came to this page and I scrolled all the way down till I seen this right here. You can be 100% vertigo and dizziness free in 15 minutes from now, and we're going to use this information right here in our marketing on how we're going to get traffic to our offer. How we're going to do this is, first of all, we're going to get our link for it, right? So we want to come over here, make sure we're on the program. We're going to click Promote right here, and then we want to make sure that your account nickname or your affiliate ID is in the account nickname box, and you can use a tracking ID, which is optional if you want to, but I'm not going to use one. So then I'll just click on Generate Hop Links, and it gives us this good old ugly Clickbank link here, right here. So what we're going to do, of course, you know what we're going to do, don't you? We're going to go over to bit.ly.com. We're going to shorten that thing up. So I just click on the copy here, and it's copied, and we'll close this down, and then we'll come over here to bit.ly.com, and then we'll click in here and paste our Clickbank link in here, and then we'll just click on shorten right here and shorten up our link. And it gives us this nice bit.ly link right here for that. So we'll go ahead and test it and make sure it works right. Like I always tell you guys, test your links, particularly your shortened links. Make sure they do what they're supposed to do. And it does. It brings us over here, and it has our affiliate nickname in that particular link. So we know we're good to go then. All right. So we're just going to leave this here for right now. We're going to come back, and what we're going to do is come over to a site called pastelink.net. You see it right here, pastelink, and it's up here in the address bar, pastelink.net. We're going to use a free landing page. We're going to make like a little landing page here that people can come to from where we're going to market it at. All right, so make sure you stick around. Don't leave the video so you can see how we're going to market this particular product. Now, so what we do, this is free, doesn't have no login required. You don't have to sign up for this. You just simply come here and start creating a landing page. So we're going to click on Start Now here. And that brings up this page right here. And what we want to do is we want to put a title in here and then enter some text in right here. So what we're going to do is come back to, yeah, here we go, right here. We'll just use these right here. We'll use this, the easy 15 minutes head balance exercise, treat all types of vertigo and dizziness, starting today. So we'll copy that, come back to paste link, and we'll put that and paste that into here. Types of vertigo. So apparently it'll only let us have so many characters in there, but that's okay. We can shorten it up. And then what we're going to do is we'll come back and we'll paste that same thing right here, so they can have, it'll see it all, see the whole headline. And then we're going to come back to our article, and we're going to scroll back down. I want to get these other words down here. Let's see here, right here, and say you can be 100% vertigo and dizziness free in 15 minutes from now. We're going to copy that, bring that back to paste link, and we'll put that in down here. And then we'll just say, we'll just type in like click here to find out the help for this issue. Alrighty? And then what we're going to do is come back and we'll get our bit.ly link here, and we'll copy our bit.ly link, and then we'll come back to paste link, and we're going to paste our bit.ly link right in there. See that? Click here to find out the help for this issue. Find out this help. Let's put this, make it this help. Find out this help for this issue. There we go. Alright, so we got it the way we want it right here, and we'll just leave this go. And then you scroll down here and you want to leave these at the default. Just leave these. You want visibility to be public so anybody can see this, and you want to leave everything else just as you see, and we won't need to do anything else. We're just going to, here's that damn CAPTCHA thing again, so we're going to check that, and then we're just simply going to click on publish right here, and then that creates our landing page, see, with our bit.ly link right there active in it. Now what we want to do is we're going to want to copy this link up here, this paste link address right here. So now we have our product, we have our landing page created, and how are we going to market this? Well, one of my favorite ways to market here lately has been on Twitter, right? And Twitter is a lot of people have these issues. They come looking for help on Twitter from other people, right? Twitter is a great way to market, and here's another reason why we're using Twitter. It ain't just because it's free traffic. There's another reason, and if we come over here to Twitter in my Google Chrome browser, you see I've got SimilarWeb loaded up right here, and if you look, this is twitter.com, as you can see right here at the top. I've got it loaded up, and if we look here, you see that the monthly visits, guys, to Twitter is a cool 5.5 billion people. That's why we use Twitter, okay? Alright, and it's free to market on Twitter as well. Alright, so coming back here, if you'll notice up here at Twitter, I'm into my accounts. If you don't have an account at Twitter, it's free to create one. Even if you don't like to post on Twitter, use it, get your account, and use it for this particular marketing purpose here. If you'll notice, I'm on Twitter, and I clicked on Explore, and I typed in up here in the search engine, if you can see that or not, I typed in, I have dizziness. See that? And I did a search, and I put it in quotes so that I get just those words in people that are typing this in. And as you can see, it's on the latest right now in April 21st, which was just a couple of days ago. This person talked about it here. I have had decompression surgery, and I have dizziness following all the time. And if you scroll down, there's all kinds of people. I have dizziness. You know, I have dizziness, dizziness rising suddenly, even lifting my head. Allergies seem to be the blame, and so on. I'm just awake, but I still have dizziness a bit. So you can see that these people are looking for help for their issue with dizziness. And if I type in, you can use all kinds of different keywords to find these people on Twitter in your market here. For example, if I type in, let's see, I wrote down some keywords to type in here. How about I have vertigo? I have vertigo in quotes there. Make sure you put it in quotes so it gets those particular. Here we go. This is on the latest. I mean, you can go to the top, but we want the latest post. You want to get it on the latest posts because people are already talking about it there, right? And you see this one was posted 1 hour ago. Right here I was dancing with to ease the quarantine anxiety, and now I have vertigo and there is no hope. Feeling anxious, and also I have vertigo. Canceling the stream because I have vertigo and I can't even sit up, and I can't do, and I kind of need to do that to stream. Hopefully I'll be good to go for Sunday, and so on and so forth. You hear all the way down people looking for help to do with their vertigo. So you can use different keywords in your searches and find all kinds of people. You can use dizziness or vertigo. What we're going to do, for example, how would we do this? What we're going to do is just click on any one of these. Let's just pick one. What you want to do is click on the comment. We're going to send a comment to this and say right here, having problems with vertigo. Here's what helped. Here's what helped me. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back to basically just something simple like this. You know, you're offering them a solution for this. And you come back to our paste link, and you see we have our landing page here. You want to grab this link right here. All right, I'm going to right click and copy that link, and I'm going to come back to Twitter, and I'm going to simply paste the paste link net in there so that when somebody clicks on it, it'll take them straight over. Like for example, if I right click and copy and open that up to test it, right, you know, test that link again, right, and I click paste, it goes and it brings them right over to the landing page with our bit.ly link to our product. Alrighty, so then it's just a matter of just click on reply and paste it there, and it says down here your tweet was sent, and then scroll down and pick another one. That's what you're going to do. You're going to type and just do it again. What you want to do is right click and copy all that so you don't have to type it in each one of those comments that you do when you post it to people. And I mean, it's just a matter of doing searches with different keywords with dizziness and vertigo, and you'll find all kinds of people that are looking for help with this issue. Well guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, step by step, how you can market this Clickbank product pretty easily. Set up yourself a landing page and get involved in this and make yourself about well, what is it, about $40 per sale on that. And you just a matter of keep on doing it. Just use your imagination and creativity. Come over and take action on this. Keep on doing it over and over and over, and you will more than likely get some sales and probably make quite a good amount of money. All right, probably several hundred, maybe thousands, who knows. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. I'll let you go with that, and make sure that you reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you saw the value and the power of this particular method today. And also, if you want to get your own online business started up in online in about 15 days, with all the tools and help that you can get to do that and have your own thriving online business, you want to reach down there like you see there at the top of your video. You're going to reach down there in the top of my description and click mentorwithkev.com. Come on over through my funnel, sign up on my mailing list, come through the funnel and see what's available to you at the back of my funnel, just 2 pages deep, and you'll be able to see what's available for you to help you set your own online business up, whether it's with Clickbank products, whether it's with JVZoo, or any type of affiliate marketing, Amazon, any type of affiliate marketing business that you want to get involved in, even in e-commerce too, if you want to do that. What I have at the back of my funnel will certainly be able to help you get that accomplished in about 15 days and have that set up and running and be successful with it. Okay, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Take action on this particular method here and get yourself some sales, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye bye now.